Do you want to improve your English skills the right way? Then this video is made just for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Samavia. Hope you all are doing amazing. Today in this video, we will learn how to ask for assistance and information in English. So let's begin. 1. How to ask for information. Salesperson, may I help you? Ahmed, we were just looking. Salesperson, we're having a sale on electronics today. TVs and dispensers are all 20% off. Ahmed, if we get a new TV, we'll have to buy a cabinet for it. Salesperson, no problem. We're having a sale on furniture too. Ahmed, really? What floor's that on? Salesperson, it's right upstairs on the 3rd floor. Ahmed, thank you. Salesperson, you're welcome. 2. How to ask for assistance. Salesperson, may I help you? Hiba, do you have this dress in size 10? Salesperson, we do have a size 10, but not in that color. What do you think of the blue? Hiba, oh, it's nice. Can I try it on? Salesperson, yes, of course. Hiba, where's the dressing room? Salesperson, it's on the right. Hiba, thank you. Salesperson, no problem. 3. How to order a pair of shoes. Salesperson, how does that pair feel? Ahmed, they're more comfortable, but I like the other pair better. Salesperson, I'm sorry, I don't have the other pair in a size 12. Ahmed, could you order them for me? Salesperson, sure, it will take a week for them to come in. Is that okay? Ahmed, yes, that's fine. Okay everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this fun topic. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Keep practicing. Until then, take care. Goodbye.